after all that shoveling yesterday, we have another storm on the way, but up in the high country, oh my gosh, 2 feet of snow in Loveland, and I'll show you what it looks like out there at this point. 18 degrees in Denver right now. 9 is what it feels like, but nice clear skies. Still snowing up at Loveland ski area. They had 2 feet in 24 hours. St. Mary's Glacier had over 3 feet in 24 hours. Significant snow here for the high country. That's why we have avalanche warnings in effect for our northern and central mountains. Temperatures in the 20s to start. We'll be in the 40s for the afternoon, so a warm day for us as compared to yesterday. Snowy again tomorrow, and then chilly into next week as some cold air settles on in. 16 degrees in Commerce City right now, 13 in Denver. We also have teens off to the north toward Greeley and Fort Collins, down to the south 20s, Parker, Castle Rock, Highlands Ranch. Across the state, temperatures mostly in the 20s and 30s out to the west, teens and 20s here for the Front Range. The fact you factor in the wind, it feels like it's 9 degrees in Denver, temperatures in the teens and 20s up through the higher elevations. So it's going to be a cold start, but we'll get up to 47 degrees today with sunny skies. Some nice melting. Once we get over 32 degrees, that will help melt the snow that fell yesterday, and we'll be in the 40s later this afternoon, but it'll be a very, very cold start early on this morning. Satellite radar picture pretty quiet. We've had a few pop-up showers off across the eastern plains, but to the west, avalanche warning in effect for our northern and central mountains. So all this snow in a short period of time makes for avalanche danger. So be very careful, especially if you're a backcountry skier. Also blizzard warning off into Wyoming here as you're headed up towards Cheyenne, a high wind warning. These both in effect through the rest of today. Our next storm coming in from the northwest, that's going to bring snow for tomorrow. It'll start very late tonight, and then we'll experience another snowy day with temperatures only in the 20s. So soak up some sunshine today and the warmth, because tomorrow the snow will be back. Highs tomorrow only in the upper 20s here. We'll have teens just off to the west from Boulder up toward Nederland. Our forecast planner for today, we'll have temperatures in the 40s. Tomorrow, 28 with snow showers throughout the day. And then Monday, some scattered snow into the evening with a high of only 34 degrees. This is our future cast as we go through Sunday. It looks like we'll continue to hang on to that all day long. Even into the evening, it starts to push off to the west a little more once we get into Sunday night. But we are expecting between 2 and 5 inches of snowfall here for the Front Range. Higher amounts off to the west into the foothills and the mountains. So 47 degrees today. First alert action day tomorrow for about 2 to 4 inches of snow here in Denver. Temperatures in the 30s for the beginning of the week, and then we'll have 30s and 40s through next week.
This is what happens. So nice in January, and then Mother Nature's like, nope.
We're paying for it
We
now.
are going to catch up.